conversation practice through question and answer. Let's start. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Where from do you buy pizza?
I buy pizza from a nearby restaurant.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I especially like cheese pizza.
How often do you eat pizza?
I eat pizza once a month.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English cause it's a global language.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good today.
What are the challenges or difficulties you face while you are learning English?
The difficulties are pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary and idioms.
Do you feel sometimes stressed or sad?
Obviously.
Alright. Do you have a pet at home?
No, but I wish I could have one.
Okay, what kind of dog you like to deserve as a pet?
It's golden retriever cause it's cute and friendly.
How do you usually cope with stress or sadness?
I usually cope with stress or sadness by listening music or talking to someone or doing some fun activities.
Apart from dog as a pet, what are the other animals that you like?
I like rabbit, cat, birds.
What are the clothes that you have bought on Durga Puja?
Well, I bought a jumpsuit, a jeans and a top.
Okay. Well, where from you have bought those clothes?
I bought them from a mall near my home.
Okay. What is your favorite color of dress?
It's black because black makes me confident.
Have you bought any black color sari?
No.
Where do you want to travel in future?
Well, I want to travel to Maldives in future.
What is your favorite season and why?
Season. It's spring. Spring is my favorite season because it is not too cold and not too hot.
Do you like seashore or mountains or hills?
I like seashore.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends relaxing at home or hanging out with my friends.
Do you like to take tea or coffee in the morning?
I would like to take tea.
What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of spiders.
So, how do you tackle a spider at home?
I deal with them by screaming or running away or asking someone to help.
Do you afraid of Spider-Man?
No,
Why are you afraid of spider?
because they are creepy and hairy.
Oh. What are your dreams?
Well, my dream is to get a good job, to travel the world and be happy.
When did you dine at a restaurant last time?
On the last Monday,
What kind of dishes you ordered?
I ordered biryani or some crispy items.
Why people are habituated to visit restaurant?
Because they want some good food and spend some time with their loved ones.
Who cooks in your family?
Usually my mother cooks in my family.
What is the finest movie that you have seen in your life?
Well, it's Dhamal. It's a comedy movie.
What is the funniest movie that you have ever seen in your life?
I already told you, it's Dhamal.
So this one is the finest and funniest movie according to you. Well, who is the oldest member of your family?
My grandma is the oldest member in my family.
What is her name?
Her name is Kalyani Dash.
When is the best time to visit the zoo?
I think it's winter.
And when is the best time to visit seashore?
I think it's summer because the weather is warm.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Well, it's butterscotch.
What is your favorite movie which you have watched recently?
Recently, I watched Jawan.
What's your favorite type of book?
Well, it's horror.
Horror stories.
Yes.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like to watch specially comedy movies.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
I like to eat butterscotch ice cream.
What's your favorite type of music?
I love to listen melody songs.
What's the weather like today?
Well, it's a little bit cloudy and it may rain.
What type of chocolate do you prefer?
I prefer especially dark chocolates.
What's your favorite pastime?
Well, I enjoy watching TV shows or movies.
Guys, from this kind of question answer session, you can improve your skill in English. Keep going. Each and every day, you go through simple questions. Hopefully, you would be a very good speaker. All the best.